Welcome back, friends. Today we have the cutest craft using one of these plastic gallon size zipper bags. We're also going to use my scissors. We are going to use white poster board. We're also going to use a black construction paper or any other paper you want, as long as it's dark black. We're going to use some permanent markers in whatever colors you want. They just have to be permanent. It cannot be dry erase. Now, the side that we're going to start creating is not the one with the white little stag there. You want to use the back of it. So now that we have it, now make sure that when you start drawing, the zipper part of the bag is facing downwards. And now we're just going to create little fishies. This is going to be an under the sea creation. I'm just going to add different fishes and some seaweed, whatever my heart desires, whatever my imagination wants to do. I did some starfishes, whatever I want. You can make whatever you want. You can add a little submarine. You can add a treasure chest. The possibilities are endless. I'm just going to keep adding some things here and there. Some of the colors that I had did not translate well on the plastic. They were too light and you wouldn't have been able to see it. So I just didn't use a lot of the colors that I wish I could have, and I didn't have any more permanent markers. So I just used whatever I had and made it work. But again, you do the same thing. Just use whatever you have. All right, so we're going to put that to the side, let it fully dry. Now we're going to take the white poster board. We're going to use the thickness of the ruler, and we're going to create what will look like a flashlight. I'm going to make a couple of straight lines, curve those ones, and then flatten the top. And then we're going to add some little cute details, some lines at the bottom. We're going to add a orange dot. This is going to be the on and off button, And I am also going to write on and off right underneath, and then add some extra little details to the flashlight. Now we're going to add what will look like the light of the flashlight. So we're going to angle draw some lines here with a pencil. Just make sure that the angles are not too wide, just enough to make it look like it's a light. And then we're going to cut everything together. So don't cut the light separate. Keep the light attached to the flashlight. And then we're going to flat cut the top and then cut it towards the bottom of this one. Now I'm going to add the black construction paper inside the bag, but we need to cut it to fit inside. So we're going to just kind of mark where we need to cut. Now I wanted to cover as much as possible, so kind of cut it snug enough, but enough that it will fit. Once I have it cut, you're going to start adding it and just start doing your best, because the zipper portion is smaller, so you're just going to have to wiggle it. Now here's the key. Don't open the bag completely. Leave it as flat as possible. That is so important. So just make sure that once you have the paper in there, don't open the bag. You know what I'm talking about. That bottom portion, it kind of whitens. Don't do that. Just leave it as flat as possible. Once it's in there, we're going to place the flashlight inside, and you're going to see how fun is this. It's like magic. Now you can light up under the sea, and you can see all the fishes that you made, the seaweed, and all the little details. I love this one. My daughter so loved this one. It's such a fun craft. What do you think of this one? I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Will you recreate something like this? And it's so easy. I'm sure you have paper. I'm sure you have these zipper bags. Let me know what you think. And I have another video here for you to watch with tons more crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.